PearOS NiceCore, bringing liquid gel and Mac-like polish to Linux. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most visually ambitious Linux distributions out there right now, which is PearOS NiceCore. If you have ever looked at the sleek, fluid design of recent macOS versions, especially the rumored liquid glass effects, and wondered if something like that could exist on Linux, PearOS is trying to deliver exactly that. This isn't just another themed distro. It's a full revival of the old PearOS project, rebuilt from the ground up on Arch Linux, with a heavily focus on aesthetics and user experience. Let's break down what this distro offers, how it performs, and whether it's worth your attention in 2026. First, let's talk about the background and big changes. PearOS has a long history as macOS inspired Linux distribution. After a period of quiet, it's been revived by a single Romanian developer, Alexandru Belen. The latest iteration, called NiceCore, marks a major shift. It's now based on Arch Linux and uses the KDE Plasma 6 desktop environment, heavily customized to mimic modern macOS. Instead of chasing a custom desktop environment called Soda, which is still listed as unavailable, the team has focused on enhancing Plasma with what they called Liquid Gel, a design language featuring advanced blur effects, subtle refractions, reflections, smooth animations, and a glossy, depth-filled appearance that echoes Apple's liquid glass direction. You will notice a Mac-style menu bar, a redesigned dock, global menus, a notch-like element, and thoughtful touches like refined window controls and transparency effects. It's one of the most polished macOS-like experiences available on Linux today. Now, let's talk about the key features that stand out. First, the liquid gel design. Fluid glass morphism with beautiful blur and depth. It looks stunning in dark mode and adapts, though not always perfectly, to light themes. The overall effect is elegant and modern. Number 2. Piri Voice Assistant. This is a PearOS take on Siri, complete with a downloadable AI model, around 2.3 GB for Pear Intelligence features. It supports voice commands and aims to bring Apple Intelligence style capabilities to Linux. It's early stage, but impressive for an out-of-the-box inclusion. Number 3. New installer. Built with Electron and Node.js. It's a modern, guided experience. A big step up from previous versions, though still in active development. Number 4. Arch Rolling Release. You get cutting-edge packages, excellent hardware support, including better VLAN integration in recent updates, and the flexibility of the Arch ecosystem. Number 5. Pre-configured experience. Custom icons, themes, a keyboard launcher for apps and calculations, and a curated, though somewhat limited, set of pre-installed apps. You will likely add tools like an Office suite via Flatpak or the package manager. Other nice touches include improved touchpad settings, hover effects, and a focus on smooth performance. Now, the reality check. It's still a work in progress. While the visuals are genuinely gorgeous and could impress even long-time Mac users, PearOS isn't ready for everyone as a daily driver yet. Here are the things. Number 1. Stability. As a solo developer project, updates can be slower and you may encounter bugs, especially with the theming consistency across apps or minor UI quirks. Number 2. Installation notes. The new installer is promising, but some users, particularly in virtual machines, have reported issues with user account setup or unexpected behavior. Always back up your data and consider testing in a virtual machine first. There have been community warnings about disk handling in some scenarios. Number 3. App compatibility. A few pre-installed apps, like the custom browser, which is Parari, may need troubleshooting. Most Linux software works fine thanks to the Arch base. Number 4. Performance. It runs well on modest hardware and can breathe new life into older laptops, but expect typical KDE resource usage. Now, who is PearOS for? PearOS is perfect for Linux enthusiasts who love beautiful Mac-inspired desktops, users wanting a polished, out-of-the-box experience without spending hours tweaking themes, or anyone curious about Arch Linux but intimidated by manual installation. It won't replace PopOS or Fedora for everyone, but it brings something fresh and exciting to the Linux desktop scene. Now, about the final thoughts. PearOS NiceCore shows real passion and vision. The liquid gel design is a standout. It feels premium and cohesive in a way few Linux distros achieve. While it's not fully stable or feature complete yet, the trajectory is promising. If the developer continues refining it, this could become a serious contender for one of the most enjoyable daily drivers. So now, would I recommend installing it today? For experimentation and enjoyment, it's yes. For a rock-solid production machine, wait a few more updates and read the latest community feedback. So, what do you think? Have you tried PearOS or any other macOS themed distros? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this overview, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Linux deep dives. Links to the official site, downloads, and GitHub are in the description. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.